very, very heartwarming to be present in this kind of a function. We all know, and Bhaskar Reddy Garu just mentioned, the kind of lopsided support that cricket receives in this country. And whenever anyone takes the initiative to support other games, it is something which needs to be applauded 100 times, 1,000 times. And it is indeed very, very satisfying that Kiran Garu and his Suchir India's vision is to promote sports which are equally challenging, which are equally satisfying, which are played on a larger competitive platform. And we see the Indian team here. Many of you, when the players were called on the stage, would have recognized. Many of them come from very, very small places. Dilip Tirkeji is from Sundargarh, so is Prabodhan, Ignace, and so many others. They come from small places, they face lots of hardship. I'm myself from Lucknow. I have lots of friends who play hockey. I have grown up watching Mohammad Shahid and Syed Ali and others. And I know that it is a game which requires lots of dedication, it requires lots of skills and talent. And when this kind of a platform is provided, it is of course a fact that India used to win a handful of medals, bag full of medals in the past. That has come down, but that happens in any game. It does not really mean that the essential pool of talent has come down. In fact, Dilip Tirkeji, many of you perhaps will not be aware, he holds the world record for maximum number of international appearances. He has made over 400 appearances. Even players of Australia, Holland, and so many other countries which are now dominating the game, they do not have this kind of a distinction. So it's indeed a very glorious team, and we need to kind of support them. Ups and downs are happening all over. Controversies are happening all over. We all know that the federation has split. There is some effort happening to unite them. There are controversies in selection. I know that some players, despite performing very well, are somehow not getting favors with the selectors. But if the focus is there on improving the game, perfecting the game, then definitely medals, rewards and laurels will come one after the other. And I do hope that this encouragement which is given to the national team here in Hyderabad will also motivate Hyderabad players. I was just now asking Mukesh Kumar whether a large pool which Hockey India has identified for all the future tournaments, whether anyone from Hyderabad is there, and he was telling that there is no one, and there is no one not even close to getting included in the probable. So this is something which has to be taken as a motivation for Hyderabad-based players. And people like Mukesh, who themselves have played 3 Olympics, should take the initiative of grooming the talent, whatever it is available, and bringing that to international standards. I would once again thank Dr. Kiran and all members of the Suchir India family for organizing such a warm and intimate and a very, very satisfying function. And my congratulations on the occasion of their 6th anniversary. Thank you very much.